Your kitchen needs a good set of frying pans. But chemical non-stick scratches and wears out. And uncoated alternatives, they stick. Every option is a compromise. Until now. Meet Everpan. It's easy to cook with, it has no chemical coating, and it requires zero maintenance. Here's how it works.
Everpan has a 3-ply stainless steel body with an ultra-hard layer of titanium on top. It's 100% made of metal without any chemical coating to wear down. Here's the clever bit.
The titanium surface has tiny dimples that trap oil. It does this, right out of the box. And it stays that way, no seasoning needed, ever. Just like stainless steel cookware, you can simmer acidic sauces for as long as you want and throw it in the dishwasher when you are done. No careful hand washing required.
The all-metal construction means Everpan can handle high temperatures. Getting that perfect sear is easy and safe. From induction to oven to barbecue, Everpan works on all heat sources.
We've also thought about the little details that make a big difference in your everyday cooking. A comfortable handle that stays cool thanks to the heat break. A mess-free pouring lid that makes serving just a bit easier. And 3 practical sizes that cover everything from eggs for one to family dinners.
We made Everpan our best product yet. It gives you the performance of stainless steel with the convenience of non-stick.
And by launching on Kickstarter, we can bring it to you at a fraction of the price. With no middleman, we pass the savings directly to you.
This is our 7th Kickstarter campaign. Over 25,000 backers have already trusted us to deliver, and we have, every time.
We are ready to start production, so join us and back Everpan on Kickstarter today. From all of us at Bear Cookware, thank you for watching.